to another edition of Gareth's Unboxing. Today we got a more pop vinyl figures I ordered off Facebook. I'll have to go and check the person's name is there. Just checked is Matthew Island, so a big shout out to Matthew Island of Funko Pop UK. Is basically mainly for people who live in the UK, but I've seen people not from the UK on it. So it's for basically anyone all over the world. You put in 2 boxes because you know what the weather's like over here. Well, these in the UK as well, so. But you go both exclusive pops. Here we go. Both exclusive pop. We got the C3PO. I got the other one, but this is the shiny one. This is the, if you can see, there we go, Underground Toys exclusive. And he's a exactly same one I got, but he's a shiny one. He is. He's a bobblehead too. It's a shiny one. Put him on that stand like that, and that's how he goes. He goes on the stand like that, and you put him back, and yep, the stand. You don't sit on the stand when he goes in here, so. Well, he does. He can go on the stand, but let's put him down, and I'll show you the other Star Wars one after. I'll show you Marty. We got another Underground Toys exclusive, Marty McFly. I got the dark one to this, but it's an Blue Crate exclusive. It's Marty, it's not a bobblehead, as you can see. And he comes in the clear case with a skateboard. Where it's not a skateboard, it's a hoverboard. Very cool that is. There we go. And there's only 2 of these you can get, it's those 2. I think you can get the car one as well. And yes. And then you go, there you get lots of, I think you get lots of exclusive as well. But let me get the other 2 on. we go. This is the Loot Crate exclusive. See, you get, that's the way they can come. See, if you look at this one, see, you get two different docks, two different ones. See. And if you notice, this is dock that number, dock that one is that one, and dock that one is the same one as this one. So this dock is not a bobblehead either. Very cool, alright. You got like a for that and it's on. You got like a power pack on it, so that's very cool. So let's put that one back. So we got dock there, and here's the other C3PO. Both the same numbers because it is exactly the same one. But if you notice, he's not as shiny. If you notice, see, and he's not an exclusive one. So with those two, I bought one for £15 and the other one I swapped for another Popline figure. Swapped in for Hawkeye, they didn't really want, so we both had a good deal in the end. So yeah, so if you want to go and see what other Popline figures he might be selling, I think he got a few Star Wars ones and other ones. So if you want to go and check out what he's got, join Funko Pop UK. I will put a link in description, so go and check that out. And his name is Matthew Island. So if you go and ask on there for Matthew Island, he'll comment and he'll show you what he got. If you know, even if you notice, even on the box, one is light, one is dark. Both very cool. So go and check them out and see if you got any other pops you like or want to buy. So thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned, more boxes will be on its way, and don't forget to like, subscribe, don't forget to smash that share button, and ciao for now, guys. Bye.